When compared with other line items, YouTube line item differs. An additional layer called ad groups comes into picture after line item. Ad groups holds number of ads. Ads are nothing but creatives. Let's take an example. There is an advertiser called repeat.com. This advertiser wants to run a YouTube campaign. He wants to use ad formats like bumper, in-stream and skippable. Audience targeting used for this campaign are affinity, in-market and lookalike. In this campaign, they want to run 3 YouTube URLs with different ad messages. Under ABC agency, repeat.com can be created as advertiser. Under this advertiser, YouTube can be created as separate campaign. Under this campaign, 3 IOs can be created. One is for bumper, one is for in-stream and one for skippable. Under each IO, 3 line items can be created, targeting with different audience segments. So under this in-stream, we can create in-market, affinity and demo line items. Under each line item, one ad group can be created and targeted with respect to audience. Under this ad group, 3 ads are added as a rotation. Here is another example for a YouTube campaign. Everything is same as previous. There is a small change. There are 3 creatives in this campaign. Each creative is running in different flights within the campaign flight. So this can be created in a campaign as line items with different flight dates, and each line item is targeted with respect to audience targeting so that each ads runs in different flights.